So this is going to be a very quick announcement. We're on Discord. And what you are watching right now, where you're at right now currently, is the educational piece to the platform. Discord would be the community piece to the platform, which will make this a holistic environment. So, if you have been looking for a place where you can chat with others, talk with others, you can also post your live videos, or you may have some questions for the community. Go ahead on and click the button below, and you will see how to sign up. I know a lot of you are already on Discord, so all you would have to do is just accept the invite link, and that's it. So come on over to Discord. I'm trying to grow that. There's a lot of people on my educational platform, and I do appreciate you being here, but I also would like people to go over to the Discord as well.